of this mall because I wanted to make sure I got all of that store and those vases. And I even did a thing for them because I'm put it on YouTube and I put their phone number in case someone wants to buy it. Can we see in there? Looks like storage, huh?
It's all big stores already there.
All big stores?
It's all big stores.
Where was the mall opening there? You could go in the mall. Wasn't there a big like mall opening up here? Like a place where you could walk in? It's just stores?
Strip mall.
Oh. All these are empty but that one, huh? I wonder what this was, has that big middle thing.
Looks like a gym.
Like a what?
Looks like an old gym.
Oh. Huh. My friend Travis. There's Tinkerbell. And there's Travis. Look at these webs, you guys. These doors have not been opened for a long, long time.
This got some stuff.
Do you see in there? What? What was this place, I wonder? Look at the cobwebs, the spider webs on this sucker. This has not been opened for a long time. Look at that. Smoke-free zone. They took Visa and MasterCard. No smoking, no food, no drinks. This could have been something like a Ross's Dress for Less or Sportsman's or something like that, huh? Being that big, it could have been something like a Ross's Dress for Less shoe store, Payless shoe store or something. Oh, wow. I wonder what this was. Huh?
Cowboy stuff.
Cowboy stuff? Oh, yeah, huh? It was men's sporting stuff. It was Phoenix X Smart, America's product center. They had phones, everything. They had all kinds of stuff. Let's see. This one's pretty dark. You can't see in. Some of these got these windows that are blacked out. Another big store. Another big store. That's a pretty good sized store. Yeah, we can't get inside these, but I'm trying to get you guys a view of them anyway. They got it locked up tight. Let's see. This is the mall management office.
that takes you back into it.
It's locked. Public restrooms that way. What? I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh, nice. I'll step out of your way.
So can I get inside? No? Oh, okay. Just a video? Okay. He was actually pretty cool, huh?
This is the one.
Can't see in there.
Are you guys ever going to be able to beat that all over there?
I'm just a local real estate agent. They hire, but they don't fill me in on what's going on there too.
I've seen out there with them. I work with content construction, and so we've been like, okay, so the little guy,
Tinkerbell.
he said that.
That's Tinkerbell.
He's out here filming YouTube and abandoned buildings and stuff.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel, DEBS Creepy and Abandoned Places. And it's on YouTube. So I started in Washington State and I worked my way down this far. I travel around in that, oh, my motorhome, you can't see it. I have a motorhome and I travel around in my motorhome. I'm going around the United States. It's over on the other side of that restaurant. I parked way down at the other end. And so I've just been going through the windows. And I did put phone numbers, like that Chinese place had that phone number on the outside. I videoed that, so maybe someone will come by.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Is it all right if I get you on the camera or not?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I always ask.
I don't represent this company. I'm just a contractor.
Oh, okay. All right. You have a great day. I didn't finish my spiel. I was going to tell him to check out my channel, but I didn't get a chance. He's too old. He wouldn't look at it. Oh, look at that. Way back there. It's got some weird,
That's what I was telling you about the big building out there.
this is, this place is, that guy was almost embarrassed, wasn't he? He was almost embarrassed to be represented. He said, I don't represent this place. Look at someone put tape on here. They taped it. I gotta put that on video. Have you guys ever seen that? Anybody ever seen that? They taped the door all the way up. Number 119 is taped. Think that's gonna keep anybody out? It's gonna keep me out because I don't break in, but I don't think it's gonna keep other people out. I see some hard hats in there. Yeah, it's a crying shame these places can't make enough money to stay. You know what? It's really easy to get here off of the highway. I don't understand why this place didn't make it. Huh? Maybe, huh? That's when then they end up like this, abandoned, because they charge too much rent when they could get something out of it if they didn't charge so much money. Little bench. It's another one. They're all just empty, kind of boring, really. I don't think we need to go all the way down here because they're just all empty. I can just do, oh look, there's the water fountain. Let's see if it works. And get a view of it, huh? Nope, the water's not working. No water, can't. You're gonna die of thirst if you come out here. Gonna die of thirst. Got some pretty flowers over there though. Yeah, I'm gonna. walk out and get a shot of the whole thing over on this side. Now look at how big this is. Look how big this place is. I mean, when you look that down there like that, I mean, that's a long friggin' walk. And look at that.
I walked to the back and forth. You've been standing down there. I haven't walked back and forth.
Well, I got a video good for my fams. There's a highway right there. That's Highway 10, right? Interstate 10. I wonder what this was called. Too bad we can't get in this place, you guys, but we can't. And they got people around here. One guy came out the door, the security guy. That's what that guy was, huh? The one guy with security, wasn't he? Huh? What? Oh. Then he should have let me video it so people would see it, huh? Then who was the other old guy?
Huh?
I thought he was the one trying to sell it. I was talking about the first guy.
The young guy is the maintenance guy.
Oh, maintenance or security? Oh. Oh. Look at that. I'm not walking down there at all those because they're just going to be empty. Huh? They're all empty. I'm not going to go all the way down there. I just wasted film.
Probably a bank.
A what? Yeah, it looks like it was a bank. I'll just zoom in on them. We've gone through all these ones over here. My arm is getting tired. Look at this tree. That tree's really cool. So is that one. All right, you guys, please like and subscribe. This is Abandoned Mall. And if I find something else interesting, I will definitely start filming it. Peace.